In today's video, guys, I want to show you how to create a pie chart animation straight in Shotcut Video Editor. Let's go straight to it. Just come straight here, you come here, then you create like the first color, the base color of your pie charts. Click OK, then click straight to add. Then this will be our base color. Let's just do it like that. Then I just would like to drag this to be long. Then I'll just go straight to filters. You come straight here, just write drops, go straight to drop circle. Then I'm just used to drop circle, I don't know why, just keep it like that. This will be the first. Then you can click Ctrl I, you can just copy like the previous one, then you paste it straight on top. Then you just go to properties, go straight to color, then you change the color. So that is what we have. Go straight to your properties, come here, go straight to drop rectangle, go straight to drop rectangle, go there. So if I drop this, I won't be able to see it. Just go here, then you'll see. Then you just drag this corner and just put it straight to that corner. Then you go downwards and make sure like here you are on transparent. Then that is the first 25% of our pie chart. So I can just also click Ctrl C, click Ctrl I to open a new pie chart. The new video track, go straight in the beginning, click Ctrl V to paste it there. So this is what we have is here on the top, so you can't see it. So all we have to do here, just drag this, you come to put it straight in this side, drag this, put it straight there, then you just drag this, you come to put it there. Then this is what we have, but I want this to be the different color. You go straight to properties, you come here, then you choose the color that you want. Then now we have three colors, but I want like a small corner here, so just click Ctrl I to open a new video track. You just select the second one, click Ctrl C, then you go straight to number 4. Make sure you're in the beginning, click Ctrl V to paste it there. So here, this is what we have. Just come straight here, you change the color, so you want it to be a little bit yellow, just click it like that. Now it is yellow. Go straight to your filters, you go straight to drop, just make sure like you move this one straight this side, you move this one straight there. But I don't want like to look like this. I want this to be around 25%, around any color around like that percentage. So you just come straight here, go straight to your classmate, just open classmate and just click on new. Then just write 25 is 25, it will be 34. If it's 34, whatever percentage you'll be doing it, just click here, then classmate will open. Okay, we are back now. We are currently on classmate. So the first thing that you're gonna do is just come to zoom here. So you'll see that is like the sender. Just come straight here. Just make sure this is going straight with the line. Just make sure you zoom in, go straight to the sender. Make sure you are straight on the sender. You can zoom out, then you will just guess around here, around 25% or whatever percentage that you are looking for. Then you just come here, then you just click on this one, then you can double click this, zoom it in, just make sure everything is on point here. Just make sure you're straight in the corner. You can also go straight to your stroke, come here, just make sure your stroke is 1. I think mine is already 1. Just make sure everything looks great, just like that. Make sure you can another thing you can do, you can just keep on turning this on and off just to see like you're on the right spot. You can also come on fill, just turn it off just like that, just to see if like the line is totally straight, so you can see I'm not really straight. So I think I'll go around that one. Just you can put it back just here, you just click that, then you can just save it. Then from here, this is what we'll see. Just click reload. Then that's how we actually create that 25%. So this is just the basic of it, but there's so much that we still have to do. So right now what we need to do is one thing, it's just we have to just make those two animate. So the first thing that I will do, I can do on all the clips. Let me just select all the clips, then I move all the clips up backward, right? Then just go straight here, go straight to color, then just click add straight to timeline, Then that is our first. Then just drag this, you put it straight in front, then you can just zoom in. So from here we know like we want this to be around 4 seconds, so this is 4 seconds. Just drag this and put it until like in the beginning, not fully in the beginning, just like that. Then you can just take this, just come here, move downwards straight to clockwise, make sure this is straight on 0, move that straight on 0. So this is what we'll have on our first animation. So we'll have to do this over and over again until we get exactly what we want. So let me show you on the second one. Then for the second one, just come straight here, go straight to color. Firstly, just make sure you're on the second track. Then you go straight here, you color, just add straight your timeline. Then you just drag this, make sure you are currently here. Then you just select this, you come to bring it close. Then you zoom, just make sure you are currently in until that area. Then you just drag this. You can just move it backwards just a little bit. Then make this like this, just move this clockwise just like that also. Then this is what we'll have. So what we have here is softness. You can just kill our want any softness. Just so you'll have to do the same thing over and over again until you finish all like the pieces. So I'll just try to move fast, then I'll show you when I'm done. This is just the basic of it. So the final result, this is the final results. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I will see you on the next video.